morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Today is Tuesday, April 21st. It's 6 in the morning. Today we'll be hanging out to Elm Grove in Wisconsin. We have a new project we've been working on for the last several weeks. The guys have been doing phenomenal keeping with the fast pace since we have a due date on it. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy and let's hit the road.
It's the type of shit that they read about. Like Chris said, I gotta bleed it out. I've been in the zone, I can't be without this real shit that I be about. I'm a visionary, that's long term, but Def Jam said they need it out. If I rush the shit, I might be without, but I need a vision, can't see without. I've been patient, never complacent. Left the underground when I left the basement, that's renovation. I spit this verse like a revelation. On the road with Kid Cudi and B.I.G. Conversations with no ID, who made hits with Ye, got hits with Jay. Now you wanna fuck around and make hits with me. If it's meant to be, then it's meant to be. Can't express what that meant to me, what it mean to me. Man, I swear this shit like a dream to me. What it seemed to be is so different now. Everything is so different now. I've been there and I done that. Tell them all that I run that. It's a fun fact and I'm back again cause I love this shit. Write it down and they publish it. I went 5 years without a publicist cause of word of mouth, they in love with this. I've been dreaming, I've been scheming. Went away a while but I've been fiending. I missed the fan but they know the deal. Been that way before the deal. Now the music got mass appeal. My main girl got ass appeal. I can feel the vibe, it's the main theme. Little fish that went mainstream, now I'm big as fuck. My whole city, they know what's up. I'm unseen and I'm in the cut about extra shit. I don't give a fuck. When I'm on the phone, don't interrupt. If I'm talking business, I might erupt. If you're at the show, put your lighter up. Fuck with me if you're really about it. Outsiders, I can do without it. I crept in, got slept on, sold out shows. No one knew about it. When it comes to fucks, I give two about it. Yo, cosign, I can do without it.
Jolly Ranchabalin, Jolly Ranchabalin, Jolly Ranchabalin, Jolly Ranchabalin. Make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, make it booty clap. Make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, make it booty clap. Make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, make it booty clap. Hojas de cristal, y Jolly Ranchabalin. Burbujas de cristal, burbujas de cristal. Y Jolly Ranchabalin, y Jolly Ranchabalin, y Jolly Ranchabalin.
Aquí relajado tomando jarabe morado, ganchado mirando las series en Netflix, fumando macoña con una tetona bien sexy. Se quita su ropa, se pone mi jersey, dice que mi aroma la pone bien crazy. Me gusta pa' baby, le gusto pa' sugar, quizá lo consiga, no es nada taruga. Me cae de madruga, se queda 3 días. Les dice en su casa que está con su amiga. Me puso en el muro que Lazy era mía. Me mandó un mensaje con fotografía. Se lo contesté y la miré el mismo día. Yo solo quería andar de caliente, checarle el aceite, aventarle un palenque. Pero pa' mi suerte que andaba de buenas, que chula viejona cayó pa' la cena. Bebimos champaña y azúcar morena. No fuimos al gym pero valió la pena. Ya hicimos el cardio pa' toda la cena.
Ah.
desperté, relax. Voy a desayunar un seriamente la cookies que ahora es medicinal. Las hebras del papel me hicieron levantar. Con el humo que aviento todo esto se va a soltar. El chivo ahora que está, la core está de más. Me pasa el toque y la devuelvo y todo está normal.
We pull it fresh off the branch, smoking out the pound bag. While these clear stones dance, weed from Northern California, but my papers are from France. Had to go big, fuck it, you only get one chance. Why they call me El Chivo? Cause I feed on my people. Been rich since 9-6 for the weed went legal. Big farms.
I still got a shoebox full of money sitting at the top of my closet from working like a dog. Got a chicken scratch notepad of what I would've said once I bought it, till she called it off. Now she's picking out menus and venues and DJs and his cake and her cake, where the honeymoon gon' be, with a new dude with bukus of old cash, I swear.